Someone cut open your screen.
It looks like a broken bulb, so probably being used for drugs.
At least they didn't burn down the place.
At least, I mean, clean up after yourself, man, at least.
The thing that cracks me up here is this guy's probably here for 2 days. That's a rug rat, dude. Look at this. Okay, guys, we're in Birmingham, Alabama. We're cruising to go look at a house that one of my students bought. We all came down here. All right, so where are we at right now?
We're in Birmingham, Alabama.
Okay. You ever been here?
No.
Okay.
First time seeing this property, we bought it. This was a subject to deal, which we took over someone's loan. So we're taking over their payments. So that's how this one came about. We got some leads that way.
What's the specs on it?
It's a 4.2, I think 1,900 and some change square feet.
What'd you pay for it?
All in for $9,000.
What was the total purchase price though of the house?
The total purchase price of the house, $153.
Okay, how are you feeling the first time in the area? What do you think?
It's interesting. Good pockets, bad pockets, but I think it'll be good.
All right, so let's walk through. Have you been inside yet?
No, I have not been inside yet.
All right, so one thing I like to do is walk the exterior first. Do you want to watch the exterior first?
Yep.
So we got no downspouts on this side.
Yeah, I think this one is disconnected right here. It came up on the inspection report.
So you got vinyl siding.
Someone lived in it. They wanted to move out. They didn't have. They bought at the height of the market. They got good. I think 2.75 interest rate. They wanted to go sell it. They didn't have a lot of equity into it, which is why the subject to deal came about. When we had the inspection, everything was secured. All windows were good. None of the screens were broken.
Someone cut open your screen.
Popped the windows open. So I met Rochelle through a Facebook group. When she came, it looked like someone tried to break the door open.
Right.
Yeah, broke the door jamb. So
can I give you a little hint while we're here?
Sure.
All right, is this door open?
Yeah.
Right. So they look like they have good strike plates in here.
Yep.
So these are actually pretty decent. You want to make sure you got 3-inch screws in here?
That's what I told her. So all these they put in after me and you had spoke.
Okay, so these are newer strike plates?
Yeah, so what they found was that this whole door frame, this whole thing was cracked. The strike plates was removed, the wood was all cracked, so you could push it open. So they went and installed new ones.
Okay,
and they
cool.
put the new in trim.
Yeah, so 3-inch screws on both sides. That too. So 3-inch screws, that way people will break their foot versus your door. And then you got it looks like you got the better strike plates. They do have one that goes all the way down on Home Depot, maybe on the next one.
Yep.
Maybe we'll go stop by Home Depot and look at that one. All right, so this is our main entrance. This is where they were doing drugs and shooting up, it looks like.
Yep. It looks like a broken bulb, so probably being used for drugs.
So they were just looking to get high.
That's right.
At least they didn't burn down the place.
At least, I mean, clean up after yourself, man, at least.
Yeah. No, there's no like filled up condoms or anything like that.
Yeah, that'd be more concerning. This is a
How's
dummy
this area,
part.
guys?
It's a nice area.
Nice area?
Yeah.
So we broke in and got high, right?
Pretty much, yes.
That's what it looks like to me. And the dog crapped on the floor? So he has a puppy, at least he's an animal lover.
And he took a shower too.
Well, at least he...
So there is some dog poop. All right, so this was the one thing that was in the inspection report was
You got water intrusion sagging through there. They didn't finish up their drywall very well. They made this into a bedroom.
Mm-hmm.
This wasn't a bedroom before.
This is the only major issue I've seen so far.
yeah.
That's just water, right?
Yeah, if you go outside, you see they covered up, they added all that soffit. I mean, so they're covering up some issue that's right behind there.
You got nice hardwoods here.
To me, this was the only thing I found in the inspection report. I said, okay, well,
Yeah,
this
so you still got water intrusion coming in here pretty good.
we can repair it.
What's that?
Who stepped in it? That's what I want to know.
And this is our suspect right here.
We're gonna run out for DNA test real quick. I mean, the overall, really nice place. Yeah.
It's all cosmetics.
It's close to ready too.
The other part is buying the appliances, right? So like whether you buy in a fridge.
I wouldn't put appliance in until you get a tenant in here.
The
Yeah.
only thing I don't like about it is the single panes. These windows are thin as paper. I mean, I wouldn't mess with any of the floors.
I use that in the inspection report to come down, I think 3,500 though, because of the subfloor.
You know, the thing that cracks me up here is this guy's probably here for 2 days. That's a rug rat, dude. Look at this. So you've got, he's rolling blunts like crazy up in here.
I mean, overall, it's a pretty big property to me.
It's massive.
False wall, ran all your plumbing through there. Did this guy just pull off every light fixture?
I think, yeah.
I love that one. At least
I think that one, I mean, it's not even connect. I don't even see a light fixture for it. You just have to put the wire wraps on them and block it off.
Took a mirror. What do you think you got for that?
Probably like $2.
If that. When you are on crack, it is. You start pulling apart.
You probably saw a reflection in the knob.
And
He's
here,
like,
you know,
Who's following me?
your dishwasher was here. This can be pushed back up the middle.
How'd you guys find out that there was somebody in the property?
When I came over here.
Was he in here still?
No, he was gone. But he came back twice before the door was fixed.
Yeah, so we got in contact over Facebook. I said, look, there might be some minor touches just to get it rent ready. And she came over and saw that both doors were open. And then she's like, hey, you have all this issues going on. I was like, oh, okay, this is weird. Because my property management rekeyed the door and they said nothing about any of the issues. They said, no, everything's good. So it's either, it happened over a weekend.
Did you have appliances in
No,
here?
no, I knew the appliances weren't part of it.
Okay, let's go to the washroom.
Well, if we decide to get a washer and dryer, all we have to do is just hook it up.
Yeah,
But
I think that's the only thing wrong with here, and let's go to the other room.
It's funny that they used cast iron.
Yeah.
Would you use cast iron?
It's like copper's the only thing they use nowadays.
I mean, that's like, yeah, cast iron's like, have you ever seen anybody do it with a cast iron?
Probably had leftover parts for the job.
This is, what is this? This is a, is this PEX? I've never seen anybody use
running the
clear,
AC. Doesn't look bad.
though. Yeah,
I was expecting worse.
totally.
The major shit looks decent.
Yeah.
See, they covered up all kinds of rot or something right here.
Yeah.
Like an issue's been going on for a while, and they tried to just cover it up.
It's right here, Josh.
Oh, I know. Well, I mean, I see the gutter.
All that's happening is that valley runs right into that,
And it's blocked.
that leak, and it's blocking, and it's just sitting there, and then it's draining down to that
I can get a
spot.
back quote for that. I think I got, the property management said 125 for, are we trying to do it? Don't do the Titanic moment on me. Oh, okay, yeah.
You see what I'm saying? So that it's coming right down that valley,
It just,
and then it's pooling.
yep.
And then I'm gonna do a Titanic moment with you.
Yeah.
But that's it. And then, like
Yeah.
Josh said, it probably happened once before. If I was you, I'd just go get someone to, like a handyman, to clean it out and put those things back together. That seems like a day's worth of work if you got the right person.
No, in reality, all we need is this other side patched, repaired, just the lights, swap out the thermostat.
You think she's working? What do you think she charges?
Yeah.
Eddie, here's your working girl.
I wouldn't mind paying her just to watch the property.
He said for the low.
For the Lolo. That means you have experience already in it. You know, you're a customer? You're a repeat customer?
No, passed. So yeah, we just saw the whole transaction go down. I wouldn't touch this place.
I'm not. No,
Leave
I'm
this-
just cleaning it out. And that's
Leave
it.
this the way it is.
It's way better than what I thought.
You just need a handyman in there, dude.
Yeah.
Cool, man. What do you think?
I think it's fairly simple.
Cool.
It's way better than what I thought.
We're just about ready to tour one of the properties in downtown Kansas City that we're strongly taking a look at. So we're gonna walk through the property. This is a hotel that got shut down during COVID. It's the Aladdin Hotel. It has 193 rooms. So let's go check it out.